Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to share your Canva presentation in Messenger. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, for example, this presentation right here, you can go ahead and click on share for the first option. Now go ahead and click on access level right here, and then go ahead and select anyone with a link. So the first method is by using the link. So copy the link, open up the Messenger chat, paste it right here, and then just click on send. And when someone goes ahead and open up the link, they'll be able to see this exact presentation. Now, another option is by going back to Canva. Now, click share. Now, you'll be able to see all right here at the bottom right. Just click on it and then go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find messaging. And as you can see here, Facebook Messenger is available as well. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And it says here, use the Canva mobile app to share this on Messenger. So go ahead and scan this QR code on your specific camera. Say I have here my mobile device. I'm going to go ahead and open up my camera. And then I'm going to point this camera to the QR code just like so. And a link will be available. So I'm just going to tap on the link, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll have to install Canva on your device. So install Canva, open it up and log in with the same exact account. And as you can see, Facebook Messenger will now pop up. Just wait a bit as it will load sometimes. So you could go ahead and share current page or whatever page or all the pages right here. All right, click on done, continue. It's going to prepare your design. Just wait a bit. Now you go ahead and add it into your story or send it to whoever you want, just like so. Now when you go ahead and check the message, it will look like this. Right? So those are the ways to send or share your Canva presentation in Messenger. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.